Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing an amazing high-protein breakfast recipe that can help you with your weight loss journey. This recipe is packed with nutrients and will keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 eggs, 2 Greek yogurt, 3 fresh berries. For spinach, 5 chia seeds. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential amino acids. They also provide healthy fats and numerous vitamins and minerals. Greek yogurt, high in protein and low in carbohydrates. Greek yogurt is a great addition to your breakfast. Make sure to choose plain, unsweetened yogurt for a healthier option. Mixed berries. Berries not only add a burst of flavor but also pack a punch in terms of antioxidants and fiber, keeping you satiated for longer. Spinach. Adding a handful of spinach to your breakfast will add an extra protein boost and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and calcium. They'll give your breakfast an even higher protein content. Here's how you can prepare your high-protein breakfast. Start by boiling some water in a pot. Once boiling, carefully place 2 eggs into the water and let them cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. While the eggs are cooking, take a bowl and scoop in some Greek yogurt. Add a handful of mixed berries and stir them in gently. This will create a delicious, protein-packed yogurt mixture. Take a separate bowl and add a handful of fresh spinach. Sprinkle some chia seeds on top for an extra protein boost. Take a separate bowl and add a handful of fresh spinach. Sprinkle some chia seeds on top for an extra protein boost, and there you have it, a delicious and nutritious high-protein breakfast that can aid in your weight loss journey. Remember, incorporating protein into your breakfast can help control hunger cravings throughout the day. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Glowing star.